Are you trying to find the coolant reservoir on your Dodge Ram 1500? After opening the hood, it's easy to get confused because there are several reservoirs that look similar. Choosing the wrong one can waste your time, and that's exactly why I made this video. In today's video, I'll help you find the exact coolant reservoir location on the Dodge Ram 1500. I'll clearly point it out so you can identify it without any guesswork. So make sure you watch until the end because that's where I'll show you the exact location. Before we begin, here are 3 common mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number 1. Don't confuse the coolant reservoir with the windshield washer fluid reservoir. They may look similar, but they hold completely different fluids. Mistake number 2. Never open the coolant reservoir cap while the engine is hot. The cooling system can be under pressure, which may cause hot coolant to escape. Mistake number 3. Don't ignore the min and max markings on the reservoir. Keeping the coolant within the recommended level helps your engine cooling system work properly. If you're enjoying this video, comment below with your vehicle model and let me know which location you'd like to see next. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple automotive guides. Now let's get started. First, open the hood of your Dodge Ram 1500 and secure it properly. Inside the engine bay, you will see the engine, battery, air intake, brake fluid reservoir, windshield washer reservoir, fuse box, and several other components. At first glance, the engine bay may look a little confusing, especially if this is your first time looking under the hood. Take a moment to look around and identify the different reservoirs. Some of them have similar shapes, but each one has a different purpose and is located in a different position. Once you've familiarized yourself with the engine bay, finding the correct reservoir becomes much easier. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the coolant reservoir on the Dodge Ram 1500. Take a close look at its exact location and compare it with your own vehicle. On many models, you'll notice the MN and max level markings on the side of the reservoir, making it easy to check the coolant level. Depending on the model year, you may also see a warning symbol or pressure warning printed on the cap. Use the nearby engine components as reference points to make sure you've identified the correct reservoir. If needed, pause the video here and compare the location with your own Dodge Ram 1500. Now you've successfully found the coolant reservoir, and the next time you need to check your coolant level, you'll know exactly where to look without searching around the engine bay. If this video helped you find the Dodge Ram 1500 coolant reservoir location and saved you valuable time, please consider sending a super thanks. Your support helps us create more helpful location guides for different vehicles. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video with another helpful automotive guide. Mistake number 5. Don't check the coolant level immediately after turning off the engine. Wait until the engine has cooled down completely. Checking it when the engine is cold gives you a more accurate coolant level and helps you avoid unnecessary risks.